Welcome to Cobra Products, how to install a cable on a drum auger. In this video, I'll be showing you the proper steps to take to replace or reinsert the cable in a handheld or a power drum auger. Instructions for operation and cable replacement are included in the packaging and should be read before maintaining or using either of these products. As with any auger maintenance project, it is always recommended that you wear snug-fitting work gloves and safety glasses. This is especially important if the cable has come in contact with drain cleaning chemicals. If you're replacing a cable on a power machine, make sure the machine is unplugged first. Okay, so let's get started. After the cutter is removed, loosen the cable locking device located at the base of the drum where the cable feeds into the drum. Then carefully pull the existing cable out by hand until it has been completely extracted. Next, uncoil the replacement cable completely. Then carefully hand feed the non-cutter or non-slotted end of the cable into the drum. If you are replacing a cable on a handheld unit, place a 90-degree bend approximately 6 inches from the non-cutter end of the cable. This bend will allow the cable to coil into the drum. Continue to feed cable until the entire length of the cable, with the exception of the cutter or slotted end, is consumed into the drum. Retighten the cable locking device to secure the cable, and you're all set. We hope you found this video useful and easy to follow. And remember, you can find these drum augers and the replacement cables, along with other quality Cobra Products drain cleaning tools, at your local home improvement store.